Morning, everybody. Robbie Lewis with Telemetry Flight Services. We're going to have some coffee and talk about the FlightDesk software that we just launched. I'm pretty excited about it. This isn't going to be the traditional software demonstration. That stuff drives me crazy. It's not going to be death by PowerPoint. Hopefully, this will be short, bite-sized clips that are entertaining and allow you to learn more about the approach and methodology that we have behind this software implementation process. It isn't just software for your organization. It is software built specifically for your organization and your organizational needs. And the whole premise behind this is to make sure that your UAS or drone operations are as safe, efficient, and effective as possible. We all have a fiduciary responsibility, whether it's corporate or in the public safety realm. We have someone to answer to about the cost of these systems and how we're using them. And we have a responsibility to make sure that it's as effective, as safe, and efficient as possible. So before we ever even open any software or hop into the software module, we're going to talk about the discovery and configuration and how we get from where you're currently at with your program to that safe and effective benchmark that we're hoping to achieve. So, yeah, see you in the next one.